Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Mitsubishi 1.8 DD engine code for N13, is a 1.8-liter turbo diesel unit that gained prominence, particularly in the Mitsubishi ASX crossover, where it debuted around 2010. It's notable for being one of the first diesel engines to incorporate variable valve timing, a technology more commonly found in petrol engines. Here's a breakdown of its characteristics. Reviews and opinions. Generally positive. Many reviews from the time of its release highlighted its surprisingly willing nature and good performance for a 1.8-liter diesel. The variable valve timing contributed to a free-revving feel and impressive mid-range grunt, making overtaking pleasant. Refinement. It was often praised for being quieter and smoother compared to other diesel engines in its category, contributing to a comfortable driving experience on longer journeys. Fuel economy. A recurring positive point was its excellent fuel economy, often closely matching or even exceeding official figures in real-world driving. Mitsubishi also incorporated various eco-toys like regenerative braking, stop-start, electric power steering, and low rolling resistance tires to further enhance fuel efficiency. Advantages. Fuel efficiency. One of its strongest suits, offering impressive miles per gallon for a compact SUV/crossover. Variable valve timing. MIVEC equipped a significant technological advancement for a diesel engine at the time, contributing to its responsive and smooth power delivery across the rev range. Performance. Provides ample power around 114 to 150 brake horsepower, depending on the version, and torque for its size, making it capable for everyday driving and comfortable on highways. Refinement. Generally quiet and smooth for a diesel, enhancing the driving experience. Environmental considerations. Lower CO2 emissions compared to some rivals, thanks to its design and accompanying eco-technologies. Disadvantages. Notchy gearbox. In some models, while the engine was praised, some reviews noted that the accompanying manual gearbox could be a bit notchy, though still functional. Steering feel. Some drivers desired more feedback from the steering, although it was generally considered direct and adequate for the type of vehicle. Suspension. In some applications and certain models like the ASX, the suspension could be a bit crashy-bashy at times, though it generally offered a good balance between comfort and control. Limited availability. This engine was primarily used in a few Mitsubishi models, most notably the ASX, so its presence in the market was not as widespread as some other diesel engines. Faults and breakdowns. While there isn't a widespread record of endemic, common faults specifically tied to the 1.8 DD engine across all vehicles, general diesel engine issues can apply. Common problems reported for diesel engines in general, and which could potentially affect the 1.8 DD if not properly maintained, include oil deprivation. Lack of proper oil changes or low oil levels can lead to severe engine damage. Injector failure. Common in common rail diesel systems due to fuel quality or wear. Cam chain jumping/wear. While the 1.8 DD uses a timing chain, see below, wear or failure of the chain or its tensioners can be an issue. Fuel pump failure. Issues with the high-pressure fuel pump can lead to starting problems or loss of power. Wear of piston rings can lead to increased oil consumption and reduced performance. Engine overheating can be caused by cooling system issues. It's important to note that proper and regular maintenance is crucial for the longevity of any diesel engine, including the 1.8 DD. Fuel consumption. The 1.8 DD engine was lauded for its good fuel economy. Official combined figures for the Mitsubishi ASX with this engine were often around 51.4 to 55.3 miles per gallon, imperial, with real-world reports frequently achieving figures in the high 40s to over 50 miles per gallon on longer journeys. Urban driving would naturally see these figures drop, typically into the 35 to 40 miles per gallon range. For instance, a 1.8 DD4WD ASX could have a combined fuel consumption of around 5.7 L/100 km, or 49.5 miles per gallon US. Timing. The Mitsubishi 1.8 DD engine 4N13 uses a timing chain, not a timing belt. This is generally considered an advantage as timing chains are designed to last the lifetime of the engine and do not require regular replacement like timing belts, though they can still stretch or develop issues over very high mileage or due to poor lubrication. Recommended inspection or replacement intervals for the timing chain kit are around 150,000 kilometers, approximate 93,000 miles. Oil. For the Mitsubishi ASX with the 1.8DD 150 horsepower diesel, engine code 4N13, the engine oil capacity is typically around 5.3 liters. Recommended oil viscosity classifications often include SAE 5W30, SAE 0-W30, SAE 5W40, SAE 0W40. It's crucial to use engine oil that meets the manufacturer's specifications, e.g., ACES C2, C3, or APISN, depending on the specific oil and year of manufacture, to ensure proper lubrication and compatibility with emissions control systems, like the diesel particulate filter. Always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the most accurate and up-to-date oil recommendations. The recommended replacement interval for engine oil is typically every 15,000 kilometers, or yearly. Versions and history. The 1.8DD engine, part of the 4N1 engine family, was developed by Mitsubishi Motors and Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. It was a significant engine for Mitsubishi, particularly with its introduction of variable valve timing, MIVEC, for a diesel, a world first at the time of its launch in the Mitsubishi ASX, RVR/Outlander Sport in some markets around 2010. Different power outputs were available, with common versions producing around 85 kilowatts, 116 HP, or 110 kilowatts, 150 HP, typically found in the ASX GA0 chassis code. This engine was key to Mitsubishi's compact SUV offerings in the European market and other regions where diesel engines were popular. While the 4N1 family also includes 2.2-liter and 2.4-liter variants, the 1.8DD 4N13 was specifically noteworthy for its innovative features and roll-in models like the ASX. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.